I learned that there's a mirror mount here. It's kind of weird. It goes there. That's to the bottom screw of the mirror, which is why my mirrors flop around. It's weird. I'm debating about replacing the vent windows. If you want to do that, there are screws here that comes out, and then this extends all the way down to here. So you take those and these, and I think it'll come out. So I'm debating about buying that. Then put the crank on, so now that's there, but don't bolt these in. Then look in the bottom of your track. You will see a little notch. Let me see if I can point to it for you. It's right there. See that little notch in there? There's a little cutout. That's wheel number one. You want to get that guy in there so he goes in this way, and you can start to roll him forward. And as you're rolling him forward, get that one in there. And the way to do that is you're adjusting the crank as you go. So you just kind of get him in there first, and then watch here and get that guy to roll in there. After he's in, this one should be almost aligned. And then you just make sure that he's in there in the right spot, like prepared to enter. And as you continue to crank a little bit, you'll get him in there, and then they're all in. So now the trick is to get this cranked right so that I can start putting the bolts in without losing any of my wheel positions. But that was once I figured it out, it was actually easy. But I struggled for like a half day on this. But once I figured it out, it was okay. Shit. I'm gonna have to take the whole damn thing off. So I just started the truck and I can actually hear myself talking here. Changing out the door seals really made a difference on the sound. Like, huge. I didn't expect that at all.